press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification for our latest tips and tricks for free. Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today in this video we will see how to use secret conversation feature in Facebook Messenger. Now when you use this conversation feature, then the message which you send to the other person, it will disappear from your Facebook Messenger within few seconds. So let us see how to use it. For that one, we will open Messenger. Now select the person with whom you want to start this secret conversation. Now tap on this eye icon on the top. Then select go to secret conversation. Now from here you can send the secret conversation or secret message. Then you can tap on this clock icon here. How many seconds you want the message to appear. For example, I will want to appear this message for 10 seconds and after that it will disappear. So send it. Now let us see within 10 seconds this message should disappear. You see the message disappear. So this is how you will use secret conversation feature in Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.